In this episode, the focus is on two practical habits that slash waste and save energy, optimizing laundry routines and embracing reusable alternatives. Viewers will learn to run full loads, wash in cold water, and line dry if possible, while choosing sturdy garments and towels designed for years of use. The segment also covers replacing single-use plastics with glass jars, cloth bags, and refillable containers, plus a simple system to separate compostable scraps from recyclables. A quick home audit then demonstrates unplugging idle chargers, using smart power strips, and scheduling a weekly reset to cut standby energy by margins. Tiny daily decisions add up, making a greener home achievable without sacrificing comfort.